Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tehseen Jamil. I'm a veterinary officer at Animal Quarantine Department, Karachi, Pakistan. I came to China to visit my husband, who is doing his PhD in Nanjing Agriculture University. My return flight has been cancelled, which was on 15th February 2020. I'm making this video to share some experience that I'm facing here in China due to coronavirus. First of all, Pakistani media is just creating a panic in Pakistan. My family members and friends are so much worried about me. Same in the case of Pakistani students. Their families are calling them, asking them to leave China, to leave their studies, leave their MPhils and PhDs. Let's take an example. If an infected person leaves China and go back to the Pakistan, he definitely doesn't know that he is infected because the incubation period of virus is of 2 weeks. He will infect more people. For example, at airport, in plane, on the way to home, his family members will infect more people in Pakistan. In that way, the whole Pakistan will be in danger just because of one person. Second, if a person got an infection of coronavirus, he will get a good treatment here in China rather in Pakistan. As I have already mentioned, that Pakistani media is just creating a hype, and there are so many rumors about China in social media. Chinese government have taken several steps to prevent this disease. They are even supplying food to the doorsteps of Pakistanis who are in Wuhan. In conclusion, I just want to say, don't get panic, be relaxed, trust on Allah, trust on Chinese government, and pray for all of us who are staying in China.